इंग्लिश में इन नौजवान नस्ल को अपने मखसूस अंदाज में कोई पैगाम दे दें, बड़ी मोहब्बत जनाब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन, वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला अशरफिल अंबिया'i वल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमईन। There isn't much time to discuss many things which I wanted to, but our guests are here from Karachi, Pakistan. Inshallah, we'll be listening to them. Just a quick reminder, my brothers, celebrating Mawlid, and today's date is the one where we revive our love for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today is the day when we revive our affection for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear brothers, getting into conspiracies like did the Sahaba celebrate the Mawlid or not, that's not what we discuss on this day. What we discuss on this day is the Shah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What we discuss on this day is the blessing which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with on this day. So my dear brothers, this is the only thing that we have, the love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that's what we need to carry on in our lives and in the hereafter as well, inshallah. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم.